Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect sheets with permissions in Google Sheets step by step. This feature allows you to restrict who can edit specific sheets while still letting others view the spreadsheet. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and select the spreadsheet you want to protect. Next, click on the Sheet tab at the bottom that you want to restrict. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select Protect Sheet. You can also access this option by clicking Data in the top menu and then selecting Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Make sure the correct sheet is selected. Next, click Set Permissions. Google Sheets will now give you options for who can edit the protected sheet. You can choose to restrict editing to only yourself or select specific people who are allowed to make changes. Choose the permission setting that best fits your needs. After making your selection, click Done. The sheet is now protected, and unauthorized users won't be able to edit it. You can return to the Protect Sheets and Ranges panel at any time to modify or remove the protection settings. This is a great way to prevent accidental changes to important data while still allowing collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully protected a sheet with permissions in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.